aspects of the motor reflex and how to elicit the motor reflex. Motor reflex, also known as neonatal primitive reflex or startle response. Motor reflex has three components that appear at various gestation age. First component is opening of hands. It appears at 28 weeks of gestation age. Second component is abduction and extension of the upper limb. Appears at 32 weeks of gestation age. Third component is adduction and flexion of upper limbs. Appears at 37 weeks of gestation age. If baby is less than 28 weeks of gestation age, motor reflex will be absent. If between 28 to 37 weeks of gestation age, then depends on the maturity, components of motor reflex will be absent. So we will label the incomplete motor reflex if baby is less than 36 weeks of gestation age. And whenever we are eliciting the motor reflex after these three components, infants cry. Motor reflex disappears at 4 to 6 months of age. If it persists beyond 6 months of age, then it is pathological. To elicit the motor reflex, elevate the head with support of the hand up to 45 degrees and then suddenly drop it and see the three components of motor reflex. These are the sum of the abnormality of the motor reflex. Motor reflex can be absent, exaggerated, incomplete or asymmetrical. Absent motor reflex seen in the condition of cerebral depression, example in hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy grade 3 or in metabolic encephalopathy. Exaggerated motor reflex can be seen in the condition of cerebral irritability, example in hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy grade 1 or after some CNS infection. Incomplete motor response means maturity of the baby is less than 36 weeks. Asymmetrical motor reflex seen in the conditions of local pathology, example after brachial palsy, fracture of the clavicle or humerus, shoulder dislocation. Normal motor reflex is suggestive of normal brain function up to the 6 months of age.